welcome to an eating video. Today we are going to eat Mr. Donuts from Japan. When I used to live in LA, I noticed how everyone was obsessed with mochi nut, which I believe was founded in America only a few years ago. But the original mochi type donut is from Mr. Donuts, as far as I know. So I was always kind of like, when people are talking about mochi nut as if it's like the first of its kind, when it's not. So let's have the original today. Mr. Donut is actually doing a collab with this patisserie, but I didn't get it because, to be honest, it didn't look good. Like, I just wanted the original donut. So, whoa. I don't remember getting this much, actually. And I don't know what's in this one. 야바! 와, 美味しそう, これ. I haven't had Mr. Donuts in so long. これはマジでやばい. There's like a hack where you grill the Pon De Ring, which is like the mochi donut, on the stove, and apparently it's like really good. It caramelizes, so I might do that. I feel like I ordered more than I wanted to because they also gave me another cruller. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Almost a dozen donuts. Right now it's strawberry season, so of course I wanted to get the strawberry flavored. Right now there's strawberry flavored everything. This is the original Pon De Ring. Okay, here we have our spread. First of all, let's try Pon De Ring Golden Strawberry. Itadakimasu. Wow. We are off to a good start because this, the crunch of the golden part, it just adds great texture. And the strawberry, you really taste that flavor. It's just a really good bite. I can imagine how good this would taste warmed up. Okay, I'm gonna just go straight into all the strawberry things. This is their original strawberry Pon De Ring. The texture is just so light. Next, I want to switch it up. I want to go in with this cruller. This is called Zaku Zaku Custard French, I believe. Do you see that cream? Wow. That is definitely my favorite so far. Let's try. Okay, the flavors are kind of starting to taste the same. This is their golden chocolate. This is more of a cake donut. I like cake donuts, so I don't have a problem. This does look a little dense. Wow. It's good. Mr. Donuts is a staple in Japan. When I was growing up in Japan, I had Mr. Donuts all the time. It's a very core memory I had as a kid. And I would specifically always get the donut holes. Like, I loved the donut holes. And also the cruller right here. Another one of my favorites and favorite donut in general is Old Fashioned. It is just so classic, and I think this is the honey glazed, but when it's old fashioned with like sour cream glaze is also really good. It pairs well with coffee. It's so moist. And you can really taste the flavor of the honey here, actually. The old fashioned and the golden chocolate one are both kind of like cake donuts, but the old-fashioned one is a lot more moist inside. Okay guys, look what I just made. I just grilled these. They look like little paws, but this was the hack that I saw and I'm so excited to try this. Oh my goodness gracious. Yeah, but oh my god. That is the best thing. You need to do that. I just have a bit of milk and coffee in here. That is so good. That actually takes Pon De Ring to another level. Let's try the chocolate Pon De Ring. Not gonna lie, I'm getting sugared out a bit. Chocolate. What? That is insane. The DJI mic has so many issues. It's actually so annoying. You guys definitely need to try. Let's do the original strawberry donut. Nice and airy. After eating the Pon De Ring grilled like that, it just tastes whatever. Okay, I still have, oh my god, this is getting a bit much. I still have these two here, which are both chocolate Pon De Ring. Guys, I don't know if I'll be able to eat this right now. And this is the French cruller with cream instead of the custard. Let me just, it looks like this. I like the custard one better. These are my favorites here. Okay, we're gonna do another one of this. It's like creme brulee. It's so light, so airy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing the different flavors Japan Mr. Donuts has to offer. And if you're visiting Japan, definitely check them out. They're super affordable and they always do some interesting collabs. Like I think a month ago they did the Pokemon collab, which I tried almost all the flavors and it's just so cute and good. And if you go in and eat and you get coffee, you get free refills. Like it is just not only a nostalgic place, they're actually good. So please go try and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!